used to hate my body, I was broke, depressed, didn't know what to do with my life and couldn't stand up to other men at all. Everything has changed 180 degrees and it's the best feeling in the world, and I want you to experience the same. I know it's not an easy time. You see everyone on social media seems to be more successful than you and it demotivates you and you don't feel good enough. Then there's all these negative things that happened in the world in the last few years and you probably wonder what's the point on going on, or you don't even know where to start. This is not going to be a video to motivate you to keep your New Year's resolutions for the next 2 weeks. This is not going to be a motivational video at all. This video is going to inspire you to finally become the man you really want to be. Listen to me, as a man there's nothing more fulfilling than achieving something that really fulfills you and then getting respect from other men. I want to say one thing up front. Everything I teach in this video or on this channel, I have lived everything myself and speak 100% from my own experience. First of all, let me tell you that I know for a fact that not everyone is as successful as they seem on social media. Don't look where the grass is greener, water your own grass. It's good to have a real inspiration, but stop getting caught up by unrealistic success stories. Don't compare your chapter 2 by someone else chapter 10. You can't compare yourself to me, for example. You have to go from level 2 to level 3 and not immediately from 2 to 10. It's totally natural to make realistic and small progress. Fix your body and mind first. This is your first priority. Train at least 4 times a week, build some discipline, and you will gain respect for yourself. Once you start to see success, you will also start to see some respect from other men, which will give you a huge boost. Without mind and body, you will never be successful in other areas. You must increase your income. There's no way around it. Of course, you can tell yourself that you can live a happy life with 2,000-3,000 a month, but you know that's not true. You are the man of the family. Start to take responsibility now. Nothing will fulfill you more than finally giving something back to your loved ones. Everything in the world is getting more expensive. You are forced to increase your income to live a more relaxed life. You need to get rid of your bad habits that holding you back from success. We all have them. Even I have periods where I struggle with my weed consumption. During these times, I get lethargic, lazy, lose my creativity and drive. Even though I know it's not good for me, I still sometimes fall into addiction. You know exactly what your bad habits are that blocking your own success. Whether it's video games, drugs, alcohol, porn, you know it yourself. It takes hard work to become successful. You can't be angry about being not successful if you don't put in the work. Nobody's ever going to knock on your door and saying, hey, you're successful now. It's done. You have to do something about it every day, and you also have to judge your activities and not the result. Surround yourself with winners. Believe me, your environment makes or breaks your success. If you only have negative people around you who only will hold you back, you will never make it. If you don't have winners around you, be the first winner. Finally, I really want to tell you that now is the best time to become a real man. A man in control of his mind, his body, his finances and his relationships. Only then will you feel fulfilled and get massive respect from the outside world. Stop your excuses, your victim mentality, your perfectionism. Believe me, I am not really clever or talented, and I did it. I didn't have any special conditions for success, but I put in the hard work, a lot of discipline and faith and reap the rewards. Believe me, it's absolutely worth it to get a little better every day. There's absolutely no reason why you can't do it if I have done it. Yo champ, if you watched till here, I appreciate that. Subscribe and like would mean the world to me. See you in the next video.